From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miz Sandy, and today's video I'm gonna show you how I use this Brazilian spring twist to making this distressed look. In my previous video I posted how I used a Brazilian wool to achieve making a spring twist. If this is something that you would like to watch, just keep on watching. So here I'm basically using a closure just to show you like how to do this if you want to do this in a hair or in a wig. This is just me showing you the basic tutorial on how I use Brazilian wool. Yes, Brazilian wool to making this distressed look. So yeah, just keep on watching. So right after you are done weaving this, I'm gonna be using the spring twist that I made for my previous video. You can check that out. I'll be leaving the link in the description so that you can actually check that out. So you basically want to just draw that like so, just to make it easy for you to lose the coils easily, or you can just go ahead to cutting the tips. I just felt like I could, unravel this easily, so that's the reason why I did not cut the tips. So when you are done doing that, you're just gonna use your crochet pin and then just pass it through like so, and make sure that one part is longer than the other parts. If you haven't given this video a huge thumbs up, do make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. So yeah, before doing that, you want to separate it like so, and then make sure that one part is longer than the other part, and right after that we're just going to start wrapping it like so.
All the hurt.
So like I said, this is just me showing you the fact that you can use Brazilian wool to making distressed look. This is very low budget for those that can't really afford to buy the extension. You can just make the spring twist and then use it to make distressed look. So yeah, like I said, I already did a video on how to do the spring twist using a Brazilian wool, so you can just go right to my description after watching this video to check how I did that. So yeah, I'm sure you're familiar with how to make distressed look. So yeah, this is just me showing you the fact that you can actually achieve this with a Brazilian wool. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video all the way through to the end, and do make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also comment if you have any questions or if there's something you want me to show you guys. To make sure to comment in the comment section actually. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video to the end, and yeah.
Let me down.